Hi guys, this is Manu here. I sincerely hope all of you guys are safe at this point of time. 2020 was a crazy year. We went through so many things together. We faced COVID, lockdown and a lot more. And we came out stronger together. I'm happy to share Xiaomi India continues to remain the number one and the most loved smartphone brand, now for more than 3 years. And as per a recent report, we're also the number one trusted smartphone brand in the country. And not just this, we just broke our previous record for the Diwali sale. And I must thank all AMI fans. मैं आप सब लोगों को थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ for supporting us, for helping us during this very, very tough year. And we are ending this year with another blockbuster product, the first power pack phone in India called as Redmi 9 Power. हमारी Redmi brand का पहला 6000 mAh battery phone called as Redmi 9 Power. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, starting with the incredible new packaging of Redmi 9 Power. Doesn't this look very cool? So यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने अनबॉक्स करा है Redmi 9 Power को और आपको बॉक्स के अंदर मिलता है ये सब. Of course you get the new amazing 6000 mAh battery power pack Redmi 9 Power. इसके साथ आपको मिलता है एक केस कवर और क्योंकि ये Redmi की तरफ से है, you can be assured of the quality and fit. परफेक्टली फिट होगा और ये आपके फोन को स्लिप नहीं होने देगा, गंदा नहीं होने देगा. प्लस यू गेट अ 22.5 फास्ट चार्जर इन द बॉक्स, अ चार्जिंग केबल एंड अ सिम कार्ड ट्रे इजेक्टर. सो ये सब मिलता है आपको बॉक्स के अंदर. तो चलिए इस फोन को ओपन करते हैं एंड देखते हैं व्हाट मेक्स इट पावर पैक. माय फेवरेट फीचर ऑफ दिस पावर पैक डिवाइस इज द ह्यूमंगस 6000 mAh बैटरी. भैया प्लीज कोई लाइट ऑन करना. Okay. I'm sure this must be happening at your home also. This keeps happening. There's power fluctuation, power cuts, and 6000 mAh battery will ensure that you keep going on and on no matter what. 6000 mAh will easily last for more than 2 days. Regular usage condition में 2 दिन चलेगी बैटरी. आप एक बार चार्ज करें और फिर भूल जाइए 2 दिन तक. And the standby time on this battery is almost 1 month. तो इसमें आप सिम डालिए और इस फोन को छोड़ दीजिए, ये 1 महीने तक चलेगा. This is truly incredible. Apart from this, there are so many great features of this device. This is one of the few phones in this price segment to come with a 48 megapixel quad camera. Apart from 48 megapixel primary sensor, we also have an 8 MP wide angle, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro. This is probably one of the few devices apart from Redmi 9 Prime to come with a full HD plus display in this price segment. Full HD plus, yes, and that makes such a huge difference in today's time when we're spending so much of time on our phones doing work, reading content, watching movies and everything else. And talking about the battery, this is the first 6000 mAh battery phone from Redmi. Redmi as a brand has been known for bringing the latest and the best at an honest price. It is always pushing the envelope. And it is known for giving amazing battery life. क्या आपको याद है हमारा पहला 4000 mAh बैटरी फोन कौन सा था? Yes, that was Redmi Note 3 that we launched in 2016. 4000 mAh, and everybody said amazing things about the device. And even though we have put a humongous 6000 mAh battery, it is still very lightweight, slim and extremely comfortable to hold. इससे पहला फोन जो हमने लॉन्च किया था Redmi 9 Prime, that had 5000 mAh बैटरी. और आपको जान के आश्चर्य होगा, you will be surprised that Redmi 9 Power with 6000 mAh battery has almost the same weight It's Redmi 9 Prime with 5000 mAh. आपको यकीन नहीं आता ना? चलिए इसको खुद ट्राई करते हैं और देखते हैं क्या ये सच है। मेरे पास हैं दो डिवाइस, Redmi 9 Power और Redmi 9 Prime. Both these devices bring the goodness of Redmi Note series into the base Redmi series. और हम इन दोनों को टेस्ट करने वाले हैं और देखने वाले हैं कि इन दोनों का वेट सेम है या नहीं है। Redmi 9 Prime comes with 5000 mAh बैटरी और इसका वेट है 199 grams. And Redmi 9 Power comes with a much bigger 6000 mAh बैटरी और इसका वेट है once again 199 grams. दोनों का वेट exactly same. Very slim devices, very comfortable to hold, and yet Redmi 9 Power comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery. तो ये हम लोगों ने कैसे किया? Why? Because we are using a very high quality aluminum alloy, and that gives it a very light weight and helps control both the weight and thickness while giving a huge battery to all our Mi fans. तो चलिए इसको ओपन करते हैं Redmi 9 Power को और देखते हैं कि इसकी 6000 mAh बैटरी कैसी है और इसमें बाकी सब कौन से हाई क्वालिटी कंपोनेंट्स हैं। बट बिफोर वी डू दैट, once again an honest request to all our Mi fans, people who are watching us right now, प्लीज इसको आप खुद ट्राई मत करिएगा, किसी भी फोन को ओपन मत करिए। अगर आप फोन को ओपन करने की कोशिश करेंगे उसको डैमेज कर सकते हैं, और इवन वर्स अगर आपकी बैटरी डैमेज होती है, पंचर होती है, उसमें आग लग सकती है। वी हैव अराउंड 2000 सर्विस सेंटर्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री। अगर आपके फोन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज गो टू अवर सर्विस सेंटर, डू नॉट ट्राई ओपनिंग इट योरसेल्फ। तो चलिए इस फोन को ओपन करते हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस ESD मैट, और आज के टाइम में हमारे सारे फोन्स दे कम विद अ यूनिबॉडी डिजाइन। इसका मतलब आप इसको ओपन खुद नहीं कर सकते हैं। देयर इज ग्लू ऑल अराउंड दिस डिवाइस जो हम लोगों ने हटा दिया है। एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन इट। This thing that you see over here, this is the fingerprint sensor on the side. तो हाँ, इस साल से हमारे मेजॉरिटी डिवाइसेस में साइड फिंगरप्रिंट है। इसमें आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे मल्टीपल स्क्रूज हैं, और दो ऐसे स्क्रूज हैं जो बहुत ही स्पेशल हैं। आप यहाँ पे देखिए, एक ये, इसमें एक मी लोगो है, छोटा सा ऑरेंज स्टिकर, एंड दिस अनदर वन हियर which has a Mi logo. This has a special significance. हम नहीं चाहते कि आप फोन को खुद ओपन करें, and this is to ensure कि अगर आप इसको खुद ओपन करेंगे तो ये स्टिकर्स डैमेज हो जाएंगे, और जब आप हमारे सर्विस सेंटर पहुंचेंगे they will come to know and they will ask you about it. हमारे सर्विस सेंटर्स पे ये स्टिकर्स होते हैं, so when they open this device and they repackage it, they will again put these two Mi stickers. तो चलिए इसको ओपन करते हैं। सो हम लोगों ने इस फोन को ओपन करा है यूजिंग माय मी प्रिसीजन स्क्रू ड्राइवर, और अंदर से ये फोन ऐसा दिखता है। यू कैन सी ऑलमोस्ट द एंटायर सरफेस, 75% ऑफ सरफेस इज कवर्ड विद बैटरी, द ह्यूज 6000 mAh बैटरी। यहाँ पे टॉप पे we have the camera module, we have the 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro lens. This area that you see over here is the motherboard. This is where we have the chipset, memory, the entire brain and heart of the device. In the bottom over here, we have the daughter board, which connects the motherboard to the charging port. You can see the Type-C charging over here. We also have the Z-axis motor over here, and here we have the speaker. तो चलिए देखते हैं। पहली चीज, जो सबसे बड़ी चीज आपको दिखाई देगी, वो है बैटरी। एंड आई एम प्राउड टू शेयर, आजकल ना सिर्फ हमारे सारे फोन्स इंडिया में बनते हैं, बट इवन अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स आर मेड इन इंडिया। आप देख सकते हैं हमारी बैटरी. This is a battery which is made in India. So yes, we have been pushing our Make in India initiative for last 5 years, and today a significant number of our components are locally manufactured here in the country. इसको आगे और ओपन करते हैं. तो हमने इसको ओपन कर दिया है. We have motherboard, daughter board and the entire RF antenna which goes from here till the bottom. यहाँ motherboard पे we have the processor, the memory, RAM as well as flash memory. We have Wi-Fi chip, we have Bluetooth chip and a lot more. यहाँ पे ऊपर की तरफ you will see a copper plate. In the bottom you will see two heat paste, this grey colored things that you see over here, and it is stuck over here. It absorbs all the heat and dissipates to the aluminum alloy body, and it ensures that your phone doesn't heat up. यहाँ पे this side you have the processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and the memory. You're launching it in two different variants, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage and 4GB RAM, 128GB storage. और यहाँ right side पे you will find the Wi-Fi chip and the Bluetooth chip. इसको देखेंगे, but उससे पहले it has the charging port, Type C charging. It also has a mic so that people can listen to you when you're speaking. And mounted on daughter board, we have the loudspeaker, which gives amazing sound when you are listening to music, movies, videos, or any other content. Speaking about speakers, this one is the high-res certified, so it gives you incredible sound. And we have two speakers, one in the bottom and one in the front. The top one is the earpiece speaker, and it comes with noise cancellation. In the bottom, you also have the Z-axis vibration motor, and all of this is mounted in an aluminum alloy body. Now let's open the motherboard and look at all the kind of chips inside. और अब हम लोगों ने ओपन कर दिया motherboard, and you can see small Qualcomm written over here. Qualcomm Snapdragon 662. It is an octa-core processor with 11 nanometer technology, probably one of the most power efficient and most powerful processors in this price segment. यहाँ पे we have the flash, RAM and the storage, and it comes with 4GB 64GB and 4GB 128GB. This side we have the Wi-Fi IC and the Bluetooth chip, and this makes this phone really powerful. And now for my favorite part, the huge 6000 mAh made in India battery. ये 6000 mAh है, बहुत बड़ी है, yet it is very slim and very lightweight. And that's why even the Redmi 9 Power is very thin and light to hold. And I'm super thankful to all our R&D engineers, everybody who worked on this project for making a 6000 mAh battery phone which is so thin and light. Thank you everyone. So these are all the high quality components of your favorite Redmi 9 Power. Let me show it to you once again. This is the back panel with a completely new smudge-free design. This is the body of the phone, which comes with a high quality aluminum alloy. In the front, you get a full high definition plus display, which is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. In the back, you get a 48 megapixel quad camera setup, the primary 48 megapixel camera sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle, 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro. In the bottom, we have the subboard or the daughter board. It has the Type-C charging port, mic and the loudspeaker, which is high-res audio certified. You also have the Z-axis vibration motor. This is the heart and the brain of the device, the motherboard. On the top, you have the motherboard, which is the heart and the brain of the device. It comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor with 4 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of storage, and it comes with Wi-Fi IC and Bluetooth chip. This motherboard is connected to the side fingerprint using this FPC circuit, and in the top you have the ear speaker with noise cancellation. And the hero of this device, the 6000 mAh made in India battery. And your Redmi 9 Power also comes with the splash proof coating, which means if you accidentally drop some water on this device, you can be assured that nothing will happen to your Redmi 9 Power. All of these are the highest quality components that you will find at this particular price range. We focus a lot on quality. It's one of the biggest pillars of Xiaomi, and that is what makes us one of the most trustworthy brands across the world and the #1 trusted smartphone brand here in the country. I had great fun today dismantling the Redmi 9 Power for all of you guys. The objective was to show all these components and the quality of components that we're using in our Redmi devices. If you want to watch more such content, please do subscribe to our channels and give us feedback so that we can further improve. With this, signing off guys, please take care, stay safe, stay at home, do not step out, and if you are, always remember to wear a mask. It will protect not only yourself, but your family members also. Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaste.